Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create these floating stairs with middle support and glass handrail. Let's get started. Let's start with a new architecture template. Click stairs, and then we're going to create a simple stairs. Finish it, and then let's see it on our 3D. We won't be needing the railing, so you can select it and delete. Next, click on this stairs, edit type. Let's duplicate this and name it as floating stairs. Press OK. Under support, click middle support and checked it. And then here in middle support type, click on the box there. And let's change the width to 100. Press OK. You can also apply the materials if you want, but I'll leave it for now. So next thing we're going to do is the glass handrail. Make sure that right support and left support stringer is selected. And then go to right support type, duplicate, and then let's call this as glass handrail. Press OK. And then the only thing you need to do is change the total depth to 1000. And then press OK. Here, you just need to select from the selection here, glass handrail. Press OK, apply, and OK. And as you can see, it changed from glass. I'm going to change this to shaded. Let's go back to the option again. Select your stairs and edit type. Here you need to go to construction and the run type. Click on the box again. It will open up a property box. What we need to do is we don't need the riser, so we need to uncheck this. And then we need the threads, so you can change the thickness of the thread. So I'm gonna put around 100 here. And then we don't need the nosing, so just put 0. And here we need to set the material. Most of the time when I see a floating stairs, it's wood, so let's look for a wood. I'll choose this cherry. Press OK, apply and OK, and apply and OK. And there you have it. We have our floating stairs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.